far as taking on Rahul Gandhi and his statements on the Pran Pratishtha ceremony, a minister from Uttar Pradesh government has also made a remark slamming Rahul Gandhi and calling him out on the consecration ceremony, but according to the minister, was wholeheartedly welcomed by the devotees.
देखिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी इसको कभी भी देश की जो सांस्कृतिक विरासत है, उस विरासत की खूबसूरती कांग्रेस पार्टी को कभी भी हजम नहीं होती है। निश्चित तौर पे अयोध्या में हर जाति धर्म मजहब के लोगों ने उस प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में सहभागिता की, चाहे हमारा हिंदू पक्ष हो, चाहे मुस्लिम पक्ष हो, सभी हर जाति धर्म मजहब के लोगों ने आगे बढ़कर इसका स्वागत किया। लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा समाज को भटका के बरगला के अपनी निजी राजनीतिक स्वार्थ को पूरा करने का एजेंडा रखती है। ये देश, ये हर जाति धर्म मजहब का देश है, और जब राष्ट्रपति बनाने की बात आती है तो ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जिसने एक जो है आदिवासी महिला को देश का राष्ट्रपति बनाया, जिसने एक मुस्लिम को देश का राष्ट्रपति बनाया। ये जो है ये जो काम है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने हमेशा किया।
All right, going back to Pragya on this, Pragya, it seems to be a repeat of most of the things that we had seen during the Lok Sabha elections as well, raising questions on the consecration ceremony, talking about the seers, talking about the Shankracharyas, talking about who all were invited, who were not. What seems to be the purpose to reignite a debate during the current election season?
Well, I would say this could also be a deflectionary tactic by the Congress and Rahul Gandhi because, remember when it comes to Dalit, in Haryana especially, which is a poll-bound state, the BJP has been targeting Congress of being anti-Dalit. And in fact, they have been saying that Salja Kumari has been mistreated and badly mistreated. And Haryana is a state which is very also religious in nature, and the impact of also, there are bipoles in Uttar Pradesh as well, but also these two states are very deeply religious, and they have a long sentiment about Ram Temple, and people from these states have gone for the Kar Seva in Ayodhya, in fact. So this is also a connect that also connects them with the issue of Ram Temple, and BJP has been championing this cause, and this is exactly why the opposition is saying that BJP has politicized this event, irrespective of the fact that the event was organized by Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust, and in fact they have invited all the political party leaders, not just the presidents, but they have also invited Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, and all respective political parties and their heads.
So the BJP is raising the issue and asking that Rahul Gandhi has still not visited Ram Mandir, neither has his ally partner as far as from the Samajwadi Party leaders are concerned, and today once again they seem to be reigniting the debate over the questions that they have been raising over how the consecration ceremony or the Pran Pratishtha ceremony was held at Ram Mandir.